Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by stabilizing the original and prepping your workspace so nothing shifts. Once stable, apply a thin release agent to prevent bonding. Make sure to mask delicate areas. Now measure components precisely with a scale and mix according to the 10:1 or specified ratio. Slowly pour one component into the other while scraping sides to avoid unmixed pockets. Keep motion steady to minimize bubbles. Tap the cup and let trapped air rise before pouring into the containment box. Once done measuring and degassing, you pour the silicone in a thin, continuous stream from a height to displace air and coat details. As the mold cures, keep it at the manufacturer's recommended temperature and check periodically for surface skinning. Higher temps shorten cure time but can trap stresses. After full cure, flex the mold gently to free undercuts while supporting the model. Make sure to ease seams and avoid sharp prying that tears the silicone. Patience preserves detail. You finish by trimming excess flash and cutting a proper pour spout and vent channels to guide material during casting. If you find small tears or missing detail, apply a thin patch of the same silicone and let it fully cure before sanding lightly to blend edges. If bubbles or voids remain in critical areas, re-pour a thin skim coat to fill them. This simple fix often restores surface fidelity. If problems persist, check mixing accuracy and ambient temperature as the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.